What's up guys, it's David Chang from CROIG. I am in Los Angeles, California at Strange Industries shop, and it is May 5th. So we are currently in the final assembly process of our XSR900 project. If you're not familiar, we took a stock bike and disassembled it, built or shaped the bodywork out of foam, and then scanned it into the computer where it's refined, and then we 3D printed it to create molds. Now we have just recently gotten the carbon fiber bodywork back. A lot of the bike is carbon fiber. We're also 3D printing a lot of little components and bits, and then in addition to that, Dragos is putting some of his little custom touches to it to really make the bike pop.
Hey guys, this is Dragos of Strange Industries. We're coming up on 10 days deadline here. It's been a very fun process with lots of wonderful learning opportunities. Part of that being with these carbon parts, we 3D printed the molds after we designed them in CAD. Heat 3D printed parts, they don't mesh well. So we had to relearn that process and create a new way to create the molds. Set us back a little bit, but with 10 days to go, we'll get it done. We're gonna put our heads down, we're gonna refine what we're doing, and we're gonna bring you guys an amazing product in London. If you're able to come, join us. If not, you'll get to see the wonderful content that we create for you guys online. Thanks for following along.